Rachel Riley.
Started.
Rachel Riley had it all, and then chance. Russian.
Да. Да, я люблю говорить по-русски. Я занимаюсь русским каждый... Yeah, I love speaking Russian. I busy myself with Russian every day. I can teach... Well, some of the words are really hard. Like the word for hello is здравствуйте, which just doesn't sound like anything, but some words accidentally sound like English words, so it could be useful for countdown. If you have to make the contestants write something down, the word for write it down is napiszcie. And if, you know, your friends tried a bit of cake or something, they just put it in their mouth and you want to ask them how it is, you say nu kak.
I think a lot of charity work with dogs recently.
Well, I play, and I was part of the display team, so they showed you if you were deaf and you couldn't hear your alarm go off, the dog wakes you up by jumping on your chest and licking here, except I don't have to ring HR up.
Let's count down, everyone. Time for the first.
Consonant. Vowel.
E.
Consonant, please. Consonant. E. Sorry, that's rude.
I. A.
And consonant.
And the last one. P.
And for the first...
Long, is it? 36?
No.
Sean and Lisa, your turn to pick them.
Please, Rachel. And 4 from wherever you
I think
choose.
that's your... 4, 10, 8, and 3. And the big 2, 25 and 100. And the target, 336.
Equals 300.
Yep.
Add 25, add 10.
1 away. 335.
And then divided 8 by 4 to get 2.
Yeah, you could have said 25 plus 3 is 28. 8 plus 4 is 12, and times them together. 336.
I'd like a vowel, please.
Thank you, Lisa. I.
I. And another one,
E.
please.
R.
One.
V.
Vowel at this point.
S. I had him down as a snorer, actually.
R.
And T.
The most tarry.
But before I do, can we have 2 big ones and 4 little ones, please,
2
Rachel?
big ones,
Thanks,
4
lovely.
little ones.
What have you got, love?
I've got a 9, a 1, another 9, another 1.
Oh, darling, there we go.
As long as
Hello.
it's not facing this way.
And the target, 972. Yep.
Times 75
750.
is 755.
Yep, 975. Yep, if you say 75 plus 25 plus 9 and minus 1 for 108 and times by the other 9, 972.
While she adds up education.
Very good.
Intelligent. 2 consonants up in
You
this
can
bit.
have 2 vowels. O-E. D. N.
Please.
O. R. T. G.
Vowel.
Sure. A.
Adore. Romesh, your 5.
Like when you've been attacked by a goat.
She's a marine fish.
OK, clear that she's fine. I think...
Let's have 1 from the top.
Ooh.
And 5 little ones. Thank you, Sean. And for this numbers game,
Lovely.
the little ones are 10, 3, 5 and 8, and the big one, 50. And the target, 880.
8 times 50 is 150.
Yep.
3.
Well, this is crazy talk.
450.
450 out.
5.
Do you know what? I'm free No, do you know what? Stop.
How you did it?
Times
3 times 5 is 50.
3 times 5 is 50.
750.
Yeah.
Yeah.
795.
10 times that.
For 875. 6. This one's impossible, so 1
For
away.
you to do this.
It's impossible for any computer.
And it couldn't be done, so...
Yeah.
The score...
Thank you, Lisa. E. A.
Lovely. Yeah. And another consonant, please.
D.
L.
E.
Consonant.
P. L.
And right on. Lovely. Thank you very much.
This we'll never know.
Dealt.
D-E-A-L-T.
What's your five?
Death, as in, I wish.
Oh,
Very good.